What's going on, guys? Adam here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to give you 3 incredible apps to make money from your phone in 2019. Now, these 3 apps are very easy. Okay, I use one every single day, another one I use almost every other day, and one I haven't tried, but a very good friend of mine has been making money from this very simple app just by taking and selling pictures, which is incredible. So we're gonna hop over the computer in just a second. I'm gonna show you what these 3 incredible apps are so you can give them a try. Now, before we get into what the apps actually are, I first just wanna say none of these are surveys, okay? If you are trying to make money and retire and become rich and buy a Lamborghini and a new mansion, it's not gonna happen by taking surveys, okay? Surveys are just gonna take up your time, and that time you could devote to something else that can make you more money. So let's hop into the computer. I'm gonna show you right now how you can start making money from these 3 incredible apps. So let's go. All right, guys, so the very first app that you can get, it's an incredible app. You can get it on the App Store, on iTunes, and you can get it for Android. Now, like I said, I have a friend that does this exact same thing. He's been doing it, I think, for like a couple months now. He's been doing fairly well. Now, what he does is he takes pictures of landscapes, mountains, waterfalls, rivers, ocean, stuff like that here in the Washington State and Oregon area. And he puts them on Foap and sells them. Now, the nice thing about Foap, now they do all the work, okay? You simply upload your videos or photos, and then you split it 50-50 with them. So Foap gets 50%, and then you, as the creator, get 50% as well. And it's actually pretty simple, okay? I've seen him do it. I've seen, he's making a little bit of money. He's making some money to pay for his trips and stuff like that. Is he gonna make, $1 million this year? Probably not. I don't think it's gonna go viral like that, but he's gonna be able to make a decent amount of money. And again, it's on your phone. It's an app, a free app. All you gotta do is go and download it, all right? So just go to Foap on either in the iTunes store or over on Android, and you can try it out there. The next app, this is one that I currently use every single day, okay? So, and if you want to use Dosh, I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can check it out and use it. But by clicking on that link down below and getting Dosh, you actually get $5 when you attach a credit card or debit card to your account. But the way this works, okay? Now this is more of a money saving app, okay? I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. When you click that link and you put a credit card or debit card onto the account, it's absolutely free, doesn't cost you a thing. I make $5 because I was the referral. I was the person that referred you to Dosh. And then because of that, because you use my link, you would also get $5. That happens for you as well. So if you refer somebody, okay, and you can kind of see over here, bonus, once it goes back, bonus for referring a person, you get $5, okay? Get paid to refer, okay, right there. Refer your friends to Dosh and get $5 for each one. See right here, bonus for referring Kendall Jeffries to Dosh, okay? Cool. So that's a great app because you can show your friends, you can show your family, you can show people online, maybe people on Facebook, on Instagram, that, hey, I've been saving money because, and so my biggest thing right now, I buy a lot of stuff from Bed Bath & Beyond. So that's one of the ones I've been getting some decent amount of cash back from. I also buy pizza quite a bit. Every once in a while, there'll be Pizza Hut will come up on here. And also, I get gas money, okay? I get money back for using gas, okay? So this one, ExxonMobil, was that one right there. And so anytime I go to an Exxon station and use my card, then I get cash back, which is a great opportunity to make some money by saving a little bit of money. So again, very simple app, and it's a great way to make some money as long as you're getting more people into the door just by using your referral code. And once you have the app on your phone, they will give you a referral code. That's all you have to do. Now, here's the next one. This one is a little bit more complicated. It's not just a simple app. Okay, there's actually a process behind it. But the reason I wanted to show you this is because Canva.com is a free app. It's a free app. Anybody can get it. Anybody can use it. The nice thing about Canva is, and what it does, it allows you to create content, create images, create pictures, things like posters, presentations, Facebook covers, flyers, Facebook posts, or my favorite, social media posts right here. So I'm gonna click on that one. Now here's what you need to understand, right? When you're here, we're gonna create a post and sell it to somebody that needs it for Instagram. Well, how do you do that? There is a website, and I think it also has an app as well. It's called Fiverr.com. If you go to Fiverr.com and you type in social media posts, what pops up are people that are creating posts and selling them to other people for social media. So look right here. I'll create 50 awesome social media post designs for starting at $35. Okay. I will design amazing posts for your social media starting at $10. Okay. I will create 10 attractive social media post designs starting at $20. Okay, so people are selling these for, like this one, 50 cents per post, or actually $2 per post. Okay, not bad. $2 per post. That's really good. And the nice thing is, this is free, and you can create it all from your smartphone. So let's say I want to come here and I want to, do something like this. Okay, I can come here and I could, let's say I want to get rid of this one. Okay, Happy Times Real Estate. Okay, maybe that's my real estate company's name. Okay, there we go. Actually, let's get rid of all this space over here. Go. Like that. And I'm going to center that up a little bit. I think that's about center. There we go. Get rid of this little house. Delete that. There we go. Finding a new home can be difficult. It doesn't have to be. Call Happy Times Real Estate. Okay? Well, it's not really. There we go. Let's fix that really quick. Okay, Happy Times Real Estate. Okay? That's it. So simple. Then you create all these posts. You go download them, you save them, you put them in a file, and then you send them off to whoever bought them over here on Fiverr. Or maybe you sell them on Instagram directly to somebody, or sell them on Facebook, or wherever you want to sell them. You can. The goal is to create cool, different content like this, different social media posts like this one, okay? Whatever you have to do, create something unique that people would be willing to pay for, okay? That's all you have to do. And again, those are just 3 very simple, very incredible, in my opinion, apps, free apps that you can use to start making money from your phone right now. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Now, I want to give you a couple tips. The first tip that comes with making money from apps is to use your time wisely. We could spend hours every single day on Facebook and Instagram and never make any money because we're scrolling through, seeing what our friends are doing, see where they went on vacation, their new car, their new dog, see their baby roll over. We could do that and we could waste our time, but why do that? Be consistent and spend your time wisely using one of these apps to actually make you money. Now the next tip number 2, probably one of the most important things, is to focus on one app and understand it, okay? It doesn't matter if it's FOAP, you're gonna take pictures and sell them. It doesn't matter if it's Dosh, you're gonna get people to sign up. It doesn't matter if it's using Canva and selling your services on Fiverr, Instagram, Facebook, or wherever platform you wanna sell on. The point is you need to focus on one thing. Start making money from that one app first, and then move on to the next one, and then the next one. And then you can keep going on from there. Because I guarantee you, the people that make the most money are the ones that focus the most in the beginning, understand the app completely, and how to make the most money from it, and then move on to the next one. So, again, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It just shows me that you appreciate this style of video, and I'll keep creating more just like this one. Also, if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that now. Click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.